What's up, guys? It's Inspiration Aviation here, and guys, welcome to this tutorial video. This tutorial video is going to be recapping of how to load the Flight Factor 757. Now, the Flight Factor 757 is very, very interesting when it comes to how you load it, and I'll be explaining everything on how to do it properly. So, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so now we're inside the cockpit of the Flight Factor 757. All we have to do is go ahead and pick up our 757 electronic flight bag, go over to operations, and then go over to ground. And basically what we're going to do here, guys, is that we're going to load the airplane. Alright, very, very simple. Now, people will hop in the 757 and they'll be like, okay, well, I'm part of my VA says I should load 52,440 pounds into my airplane. So what people will try to do is they'll go over to the cargo weight, right? You have cargo weight. They assume that's how much cargo weighs. It's self-explanatory. 52,440. No problem, right? Well, there is a problem. It maxes out at 35,000. And this is why. So the reason why it maxes out at 35,000 pounds is because 35,000 pounds is a max weight it can store in the belly of the airplane. That's where all this cargo is going. Now, a pallet is what goes above the belly of the airplane, or just, you know, the normal area behind it. This is where all the real cargo is stored. Everything else is stored on the bottom. And each pallet has a fixed number, alright? So each pallet weighs exactly 3,840 pounds. And basically, well, you can do the math, you know, calculate, well, if I have 15 pallets, I can, you know, multiply it by how many, whatever. But I did the math for you, alright? I gave you guys the exact number. So one pallet weighs 3,840 pounds. 4 pallets, you know, just 3,840 times 4 equals 15,360, and so on and so on. So this is the exact weight of each for each number of pallets. So how we would do this is just go ahead and find your weight, right? So for example, my VA, if I'm flying from, you know, Puerto Rico to Memphis, they want me to put 52,440 pounds of cargo on my airplane. So easy way to do this, all you have to do is just go over to your calculation chart. 52,000. Well, you don't want to go over because then that's too much weight. So you want to find the number right under 52,000, right? 52,000. So in that case, it'll be 13 pallets, which would be 49,000 pounds. That's just right under 52,000. You can't go to 14 because they're at 53 and then you're over. So all you have to do is load 13. Oh, that's 31. 13 pallets in your airplane, right? There you go. Now, for all the extra weight, all you can do is just take this number, alright, 49,920, just pull up any calculator. So, first you want to take 49,000, right, 49,920, and then subtract it by what you're supposed to load, which is 52,440. Alright, it's 52,440. Which equals, well, I did it wrong, wrong order, so you get 2,520 pounds is what you want to add in order to get the exact number of 52,440. All you have to do, guys, was take that number, load it into the cargo weight section, and then you have your number. So 2,520, and boom, there you go, guys. You just loaded the 757. Don't worry, guys, fuel's normal. So for my flight plan, it wanted to give me fuel 41.8, which is 41,800 pounds. And there you go, guys. Now you're all set. So guys, this is how you can load the Flight Factor 757. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and you guys have a great rest of your day. See ya.